Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I had so much fun doing the get ready with me using only drugstore, high-end makeup. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of drugstore makeup. So I guess let's get right into it. Off camera, I just applied some brow powder. I didn't show it in the clip just because it's a high-end makeup product and today we are doing drugstore makeup. So anyway, for a brow pencil, or actually this is a brow pen, I'm going to use the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. Absolutely love it. It's so nice. This one is in taupe. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to create little brow hairs in the brow, where any sparse area, in any sparse area. Next, I think I'm gonna go on to the eyes. You know, I didn't get my eye primer. Man. Okay, one of my favorite eye primers is this one from e.l.f. This is just the e.l.f. eye primer. This is a sheer one. I really like it. It's really nice. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with this. Okay, so this is a bit of an older eyeshadow palette that I have in my collection. I still really like this eyeshadow palette. This is the L'Oreal nude palette. Absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It's so nice. Okay, we're going to take this shade here on the e.l.f. crease brush, and we are going to apply this shade in the crease. I'm going to also take it in the inner part of the eye, kind of up towards the brow. I'm going to take a blending brush like this one. This is the Morphe 453, just to blend the edges of the shade. And next we're going to take this dark brown shade and we're going to apply it in the outer part of the eye. And kind of in the RV just a little bit. This is definitely something that I wouldn't reach for this eyeshadow palette anymore, just because I forgot how the pigment is a little bit there, but I don't really like the payoff. I mean, I used this eyeshadow palette like pre-YouTube, I think, and now that I'm using it again, I totally forgot how it's a good palette, but I love the shades, but I don't get that color payoff the way I would want, you know? Like, I guess it's okay, but it's just not what I would like in an eyeshadow palette. So anyway, next we're going to use this shade in the palette. I'm just going to take my finger to apply it. I'm going to apply this on the blank part of the lid. And I'm going to take my blending brush again and just blend this shadow a little bit in the crease. I like with this shade too, the sparkly shade. The color kind of fades a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm taking the brown shade and kind of deepening up the outer V a little bit. Anyway, I think I said the shimmery shade fades on me a little bit. So what I I've been really liking to do is now applying a glitter topper. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in La Mesa. And I just like to take it on my finger as always and just apply it right on top of this shimmer shade. Definitely do like to build this up so I can get a desired shimmer. I think that it was nice. Now let's just go on into mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes first. So I was kind of laughing yesterday because when I was kind of preparing this makeup look, I recently, yesterday actually, I opened my new Lash Paradise. And I was like, there's nothing like a new Lash Paradise mascara. Because like mine was starting to get kind of not stale, but what am I trying to say? Dry. It was starting to dry out, and when I opened this one yesterday, I was just like, that feeling of just like a new Lash Paradise. I was just like, ah, so nice. It was just so nice. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna curl them one more time. Ah, every time I'm just like, it's just so nice. So what I'm loving to do is, okay, backtrack. I think I said this in my comparing these two video. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. I don't like the formula because this mascara because it's really clumpy. So what I like to do is I like to take the wand actually and use the comb of this wand just to go through the lashes. Just to kind of separate them and comb them through. But using the Lash Paradise formula. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And let that just kind of dry a little while I do that, and then wipe off the mascara that is on the wand of the telescopic lift. All over my hands now. Okay, for a drugstore face primer, I chose the e.l.f. Power Grip face primer. I absolutely love this face primer. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to take it on a Bedalia muscle brush. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And just start priming the face. For foundation, take the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyluronic Hydrating Foundation. I'm going to squirt some of it on the back of my hand, like one spot. Just take the Anissa Beauty over face brush. I've been really liking to avoid the under eye area just so that area is just not so cakey. And I'm really liking how that has been looking. Okay. I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser concealer. I'm going to conceal the under eye area any blemishes that pop through. And I just like to blend it in with my finger. Okay, should we set the face first? I think we should set the face now. So, this is a new product that I just got yesterday, actually. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation, and I have the translucent one. So I'm gonna take it on my Morphe fluffy brush and just set the under eye area and the T-zone with this. I'm going to do kind of patting motions just so I don't disturb any of the concealer and a little bit of foundation. I like to do the sides of the nose too, and then the forehead. And the chin. Oh yeah, I like this foundation. I've never tried this one, and I really, really like it. Blush. But I guess I'm gonna do blush first because it is a cream blush. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Honest Beauty cream blush in Coral Peach. I use this blush a bunch on my channel. Love it. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna take the butt end of it. I'm gonna squeeze it kind of like this in the product and kind of get it on. And I like to, I don't apply it on the apple of the cheek anymore. I kind of go a little bit further up. Oof. Ugh. Maybe, and then we can kind of blend it a little. See, that was what not to do. My bad. I'm just going to kind of lightly blend that and then go on the other side. Blend that. So I'm going to take the same powder with Morphe face brush. I think this is basically a bigger size of this one. This is from the Morphe face brush set. I'm going to take this bigger one. Just set the outsides of the face and kind of blend in that blush a little bit. I'm going to go in it to my bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. So I don't know if this is too light for me. When I apply it, it looks like a highlighter here. Oh, no, look what I did. Great. So anyway, I'm just going to apply it to my, just watch it on my hand just to show you guys. I don't know. Is that too light for bronzer? I mean, I know I want something shimmery, but I feel like that is too light. I'm gonna take the old-fashioned fluffy brush and just apply this to the bronzing area. See, I don't know. It's not giving me bronzer feel. It's giving me highlight feel, and I'm just like, I don't know. Maybe I think I got the wrong shade. Now we're gonna go into highlighting the face. I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna go to this icy color. I'm gonna squeeze my Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush and just get a good amount of that on the brush and just highlight the highlighting places. I like to go in a C shape around my eye. So I'm going to revisit a favorite lip product of mine. This is the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in Squad Goals. I love this shade, it's so pretty. And then on top of that, I'm going to take my Loreal Alter Ego lip gloss in Beach Babe. One last step, I'm going to set the face using the NYX Bear With Me Multitasking Setting Spray. Okay, so for today's Bible verse of the day, it's a little bit of a longer one, so I'm not going to read it. It's going to be in the description as always, and I might put it in the comments down below so you guys can go read it for yourself, but it will be there and maybe on the screen here while I'm talking about it. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys on the next one. Bye!